Before we start this demonstration, let's get rid of the Radisco database and create a much more generic database that has the Radisco data1 MDF file in the C_SQL folder and the log called Radisco_log in the E_SQL folder. Create the database, refresh to find it, get the properties, and notice the two files you have created are present. One is on our virtual C drive, and the other one is on our virtual E drive. Now pretend you wanted to make an NDF file on the D drive and you forgot. Do you have to drop this database and recreate it? Or can you alter databases by adding files as you go? That's what this lesson is all about. If you look at our database perspective from file groups, you'll notice we have one primary file group, and there's only one file inside that file group, and that's the MDF. Now, what if we wanted a user-defined file group? Let's call it Radisco order hist. Then, we will put files inside of that group. Well, first things first, let's go back to our code, and let's run the following T-SQL statement. Alter database Radisco add file group, and we'll call it Radisco order hist, and run it. It says completed successfully. Let's look at our results. Now we see we have a primary with one file and an order hist with no files in it. Well, why don't we make an NDF file and add that file to the file group? Okay. Well, let's continue on down and say alter database Radisco add file, and we'll put all of the specifications of the file, what drive letter, size, everything, inside of the set of parentheses. But let's come back and decide that later. First, let's say to file group, and we will pick Radisco order hist. Okay, well, let's put the details of the file in here. Let's say name is equal to Radisco hist1, and the file name will be located in the C:\D_SQL folder, and we'll call it Radisco_hist1.ndf. End of single quote. There we go. Now, let's go get the properties of Radisco. Now we have Radisco order hist with one file in it. Let's look at those files. This guy is on the D drive. Okay, great. What if we want to add one more? We want an order hist2 in the same exact file group. Well, that's actually pretty easy. Let's copy and paste this code below, and let's change this to a 2. Change this to a 2. Run this. It says executed successfully. Now we expect our user-defined file group to have 2 files in it. Which 2 files? These 2, of course. Both of them located in the file group called Radisco order hist, and they're both on the D drive. Lab 1.3, Skill Check 1. In our last example, we added 2 secondary data files to our secondary file group, Radisco_hist. Add a third file to this file group using code. The name should be Radisco_hist3, and the file location should be the virtual D drive called Radisco_hist3.ndf. When you're done, Your screen should resemble the figure you see here. Skill Check 2. After you finish Skill Check 1, the Radis Code database contains one MDF file, 3 NDFs, and 1 LDF. Add another file to the Radis Code database. Place this file in the primary file group. Once complete, you should have all the files that you see here. Please make a note that the logical name of this file should be radisco_data2. The location should be on the C drive called radisco_data2.ndf.